Yo, Alan Chris right here. First live shoot, the third law. Of course, the Underground Productions. And please like us on Facebook. That's facebook.com/undergroundproductionsph. So please do watch out. Third law coming soon. Break it down, yeah.
2, 3, action. Action.
Sobrang saya.
Ang saya ko talaga, ang saya namin.
Oo, halika dito. Halika dito.
Ganda nung grade, GRWH grade namin.
Ito, mataas ka pala ha.
Mataas grade ko. Hindi ko pala yung inay.
Alam, kwento mo naman yung character mo.
Ako yung
Okay na yan.
pinaka mukhang tanga. Oh, pero okay lang. Masarap naman ang pagkain dito.
Grabe, di ka pa kumakain.
Oo nga pala.
Hindi mo.
Pakina lang ah.
Grabe ka talaga, di ka pa kumakain. After 5 minutes,
Hindi, may meeting sa
start na kami.
2, 3, action.
Kaya sabihin ng kaya na, tas ako, napagulo niyo.
Babalay mo ba siya?
Oo, napagulo niyo po ninyo kasi hindi ko upo. So, what? Shut the fuck up.
Sobrang iyak namin. Ang galing niya. Nina. Ang ganda sa video. Panoorin na sa page na.
Oo, ang galing tayo. Para kasi...
Hey!
Oy. Uy, hi.
First appearance mo yun, Happy.
Ano nga pala, binabati ko
Anong
nga pala
role
yung
mo
mga
dito?
nanonood sa amin.
TFC subscribe.
Anong
Ay,
role
mga
mo?
TFC subscribers, yan.
Okay.
Wag ako, pero naka-ano, no? Wag ako, pero nakatingin. Hinay pang ako, susulat po ako.
Titignan ko, ay, iniisip ko kung paano.
Ay, dito na ako.
Oh, pwede nga. Yung manonood din. Okay na.
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa pagsushootingan. Ito na yung pinaka-last part ng scene. Let's go! Pasukin natin.
Good afternoon po. Ano ba ito, sir?
Fifth day of shoot. Fifth day to?
Fifth day.
Fifth day of shoot.
Dito.
Yeah. Fifth day, the last day of shoot. We got shit done.
With
Yeah.
my main man Kyle right there.
F***ing done.
Angel done. Yeah.
We're done. Oh yeah, shake it. Come on, yeah. Alright. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
This is just the way I talk. It's not an accent. I'm
It's
not
not.
making anything.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, you motherfucker. What you yourself, man. You're not playing.
Greek.
Whatever. The film is going to be great if you see
You don't
it.
know.
Oh no, let him.
Shut up.
Let him.
Everyone should watch your film because it's f***ing badass. It's off the effing chain. I mean, if you've seen it, you would think twice about being a dick in your entire life.
Yeah.
Yeah.